Our Shape the Future of Aging plan is our strategic plan for the future. The cities of Fairfax and Falls Church, along with Fairfax County, really want to ensure an age-friendly community. Earlier this year, the CASOA survey was sent out, and the CASOA survey is a nationally benchmarked survey. It stands for Community Assessment Survey of Older Adults, and it really goes into asking people about aging services in the community and the experience of aging in our community. So they talk about things like lifestyle, volunteerism, senior centers, caregiving, housing, all of the things that you can think of that would touch the life of an older adult. And so it really gives us data to work with to understand people's experience aging in our community and what they might need in the future. We know that surveys are not always fully representative of our community's voice, and we want to be very intentional about hearing from our entire community. So we are going to be holding town halls. There will be one in each of the 4 human service regions, and it's really a great opportunity to hear from people. It's an opportunity for voices to be heard. So we're going to take all of the information that we've gathered from the surveys and from the community input, and we're going to analyze that and really to help us understand what's important to our community so that we can align our services and the things that we offer with what our community feels is important to them to age well here in our community. If anybody would like more information, they can go to the fairfaxcounty.gov website and search older adults, and they can also register for the town halls there on the website.